What's up, YouTube gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Will. Today is finally the day I'm going to do my YouTube office studio tour. The desk sits over here. We're actually going to start on this side of the room and then we're going to work our way around. And I'm going to talk about all the stuff that I have and kind of like why I have it, what I use it for, the purposes of everything. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so when you first walk through the door of my studio, you are faced with this whiteboard. And I normally will write a list of my YouTube videos that I want to create for the month, kind of in order just to keep me inspired. But as you see, my wife, who's behind the camera right now, she normally comes in here and just like draws and like writes stuff. But I'm moving right along over towards this way. Right here I have like a really cheap tripod. I mostly will travel with this tripod. It's very light. It squeezes up real nice. It fits right here on my travel backpack right here, which is that Bang Cool backpack. Following up right here, here's my ring light. I use this mostly for all of my YouTube videos. When I sit down and I do talking headshots of YouTube videos, I am normally using this light. It has a nice little cover right here on it, and that basically makes the light softer so it doesn't look as harsh on my face. I got my Black Panther Volume 1 comic book. It kind of just stays on my wall. Hopefully someday this will be worth some money and I could cash out on that, you know what I mean? So let's start right here at the top of my bookshelf. I use this bookshelf to house all of my gear that I use. This is a drone that I had. I got this one in 2016, and as you read right here, it doesn't work. I crashed it. It died on February 11th, 2017. It crashed in Sweetwater Park, Atlanta, Georgia. And the name of the video that I crashed it in is I Can't Believe We Did This. I got my sign right here, Never Stop Creating. You remember my old studio, I had that hanging on my wall, but I decided to just go ahead and stick it at the top of the bookshelf. I feel like it complements everything very well. This is actually customizable. It can go any color that's right here. I love that sign. That sign definitely keeps me creative. Whenever I look at it, I always know, okay, never stop creating. That's like a motto of mine. As you see, I did like this little DIY type of deal with one strip light that goes on each of the 3 shelves right here that I keep most of my camera gear on. And along the back, there's actually 2 different ones. And again, these are totally customizable to, you know, pretty much any color that I have right here. Moving right along, I got the flash right here. This is what my 6400 goes, which we're actually filming on right now. My wife is filming with that and the Zion crane. This is the newest lens that I got right here. This is the Sony 18-105 kit lens right here. This one came with my 6300, which actually is sitting right here. I've been using this one for the past, maybe like a year or 2 almost. Love this camera, it's a beast. Got the Sigma 30mm f1.4, awesome lens. I mostly use this for B-roll stuff. I have the Sigma 16mm sitting on the camera filming us right now, or filming me right now, but it actually sits right here. Big fan of the Avenger. I'm still using the OG Phantom 3 standard, awesome drone. Like I said, I have 2 of them. The one that crashed is up there, and this is the second one I purchased. And actually, the funny thing is, between the 2 of these, I crashed them about 4 times, and I ended up repairing them by like switching out you know, the gimbal and whatever else. This is actually a camcorder. I picked this up from a pawn shop for like 30 bucks. I actually use this sometimes, not often, but you know, if you want those real VHS vibes, it's much easier to just shoot it with actual VHS camera. I got this Slinky right here. I actually got this from, what's that place called? Main Event. I got this from Main Event. I won I don't know if you guys, I've always been a fan of Slinky. Still have not unboxed the new Gorilla Pod yet. This is the 3K. We're actually going on a trip in the next 3 weeks, and this is probably gonna be my main rig with the 64 hundo. This is the book, is what it's called. It's a journal, audio recording book, 5 love languages. Awesome book. I got Gary Vee's Crush It right here. Great book. Check that out, guys. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is also another gem. Links will be in the description of everything that I'm talking about, as many links as possible. I made a video about this. This is my first birthday from January 16th, 1986. J's right here. These are the, dang, what's this guy's name? Can't think of his name right now, but his picture is right there. They were like a classic. These are my favorite J's, actually. I don't wear them. I got my longboard right here. My wife and I got this in 2017. Also got the OG right here, Tupac Shakur. Big Tupac fan. Favorite song, Dear Mama. I would have to go with Dear Mama or Hail Mary. It really fits in well with my themes I have going on in the room as well, with kind of like the black, white, and gray vibe. Okay, I got this sign right here. I just put this up recently. It's called Killing It. You know, it's just a constant reminder, like, Will, you killing it. This is a Manfrotto tripod, OG tripod. It's so dope. Whenever you guys see videos and I do top-down shots, it's with this tripod because it pretty much goes really high. Moving along, this is my little table. I pretty much use this in a lot of videos where I do a setup right here and I'm doing a demonstration of like a product or something. I got this monitor right here from I think like the pawn shop or something. But let me show you real quick what I use it for. So normally when I'm doing my sit down videos, I have this monitor set up on the table or something, and I can pretty much see myself. So whenever I grab like this, you get the gist of it. But I use this as an external monitor, basically. Alright, so right here at the bottom here, I got my homeboy Taco. He's just a leopard gecko. His name is Taco because I think he looks like a taco. He is really dope. Like, I don't pick him up as much as I used to, but he is very friendly. This is a picture of 3 photos I took from New York City. Really dope photos. I really love those. This is just another light. I use this sometime as a rim light on the back of my head, and most of the time I actually just use it to shine a light on the photo right here. This is just a little stand over here. I charge everything up on this side. I got this light right here from Walmart. It is, you know, pretty cool. I really want to switch this out. Haven't decided which light I want to go with. Inside is a LifeX beam. I did a whole review on that. I got this monitor right here from like a pawn shop. Nothing special. It's like 1080p quality. I use this to edit all of my videos on. LifeX beam right here. I love this light. I love the way I can change this room up instantly by changing colors. As you've seen, like with LEDs on that side and all this. This also changes colors as well. My chair is horrible. I know I had this chair for maybe about 5 years. It actually has like a lean to it. I really need to invest in a new one. KRK powered speakers right here. It has a great, a good kick to it as far as the bass. I love editing all of my videos off of these because it gives me a very accurate sound. Oh, I almost forgot my sign right here. Good things come to those who hustle. It's a model that I've been trying to live by for this year. To know, man, good things do come to those who hustle. Got my Black Panther, as you see, I got the Black Panther wallpaper. I got the Black Panther poster over there. I just got this audio interface not too long ago. I've been meaning to make a video about it. I will. Basically, what it is an A to D converter, which means you can put an analog sound in, such as a microphone, a guitar, or anything. And when you put it into here, it goes in USB into a computer, also USB-C, and it transforms the audio into digital. We're gonna do a video about this, okay? MacBook Pro 2012. Funny, man, this computer was actually pretty slow, and I just recently updated everything. I put a terabyte SSD hard drive in there. Also upgraded the RAM in there. Apple Magic Mouse 2. And I got my little holster right here. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Has cameras on it, you know, it's fitting for me. Right here at the bottom of here, I have LED lights. Right now they're on the strobe mode. I normally keep those on strobe, but those are also customizable. They're the same as those over there. Links in the description for all of that. On the back part of here, I also have another LED strip. I got this Sterling microphone right here. When I recorded music, I always use this. I got it on sale for about $100. Condenser microphone. You know, it's nothing too fancy, nothing like a Shure or Sennheiser or any fancy name, but it does get the job done. Plus, if you're a great audio engineer like myself, the microphone won't really matter because you just go in there and then you tweak everything to the way you want it. I got this not too long ago. Whenever y'all hear me do the voiceovers, and I'm like, in the world, we get it. Whenever I do my voiceovers at the beginning of my vlogs, I'm always speaking in this microphone right here. I normally hook it up to the Zoom H1N1. I will be using the interface, audio interface from now on. Because like I said, the XLR connects right into there and it records right into Premiere Pro actually. So it makes my life much more simpler, but it's perfect because it's right in arm's length and I can just, you know, go boom, boom. This is a pop filter. You need this in audio recording if you're recording voices because it'll help with the P sound and also the S's. It basically makes the audio sound cleaner. We'll do another video. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. I got this boom mic right here that I do not rarely use. It's a cheap one. I've been meaning to do a review, have not done it. I got my New Orleans beads right here. We're actually about to go back to New Orleans in 3 weeks from now. So subscribe if you are not, because you may want to check those vlogs out. Going on the cruise for 5 days. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking these. I'm a graduate of the Institute of Audio Research. This is my high school diploma. Believe it or not, I almost dropped out of high school, and I'm very proud to actually have that. It took me an extra year in high school, but I did it, I completed it, and I really need my bachelor's degree. Make sure y'all like and share this video because I'm still paying off my student loans to get my bachelor's degree, so that's why I'm not up here. Because our institute, man, they cost a lot of money. It's funny, I've been trying to hold out to make the tour of the room because I'm like, well, I really want to get this, I really want to get that. But at the end of the day, as a creative person, this place is going to continue to evolve. We're going to call this Room Tour, Will's Studio Room Tour 1.0. And then once we change stuff around and I feel like it's getting to the point, y'all let me know if y'all want to see an additional room tour to see what other stuff I changed around. Then we'll do that as well. Ever since I was 17, I always had a recording studio set up, and eventually in 2016 it turned into more of a video setup. So I do all my client work here. This is just our extra bedroom in our house, but it is the William Nevius Media Studios. That's what I call it. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If there's anything here that I didn't mention or leave in the description, anything, drop me a comment. I can elaborate. If you want to see any additional video on any piece of equipment that I have here, drop a comment. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces. Oh, last thing, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to my wife's YouTube channel. She just been holding this heavy rig for the past 40 minutes. Once we just start recording, she started talking junk. But she just made a YouTube channel. Subscribe to her. I will leave it down in the description. Thank you to her. Oh, this is kind of heavy, baby. I see what you're saying. Thank you to her for filming the video. But I hope you guys enjoy it. But alright, guys. See you later.